In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPhone screen blacked out. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, blacked out screen is usually caused by a system crash where the phone is on, but the display driver is frozen. So the most common thing is a forced restart. It's the most common solution and it cuts power to the frozen software and forces the screen to recalibrate. So press and quickly release the volume up, then press and quickly release the volume down, and then press and hold the side button. Keep holding for at least 20 seconds. And even if the screen stays black, keep holding until the Apple logo appears. If the battery's bottomed out, the screen won't even show the low battery icon. So plug the iPhone into a wall outlet, so just avoid any laptop ports or anything like that, and make sure you're using a fast charger, which is at least 20 watts available. And then wait 30 minutes, and while it's still plugged in, try the force restart steps above again. And if the screen's black but the phone is actually working, toggle the silent switch or ask Siri to turn the volume up. If you hear sounds or feel vibrations, the phone's on, but the display hardware has failed, which in this case you might need a physical repair. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Also, be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something you didn't know about yet.